In this video, we'll show you what to do if the microphone is not working on your ASUS laptop. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in sound settings. Now select the first result that appears. In the settings app, scroll down to this input section and look for your microphone device from here. Make sure it is set as the default device from here. Additionally, you should also check its volume level to ensure it's not muted. However, if your microphone doesn't appear on this list or if you still experience problems, scroll down and then click on More Sound Settings. In this window, go to the Recording tab. Now locate your microphone from here. If it's disabled, simply right click on it and then select Enable from here. Once you have enabled the device, simply select it and then set it as the default device. However, if you still experience problems, right click on the microphone again and then select Properties. Now here go to this Levels tab and make sure the microphone level is not all the way to the left. Additionally, go to this Advanced tab and uncheck this Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Now click on Apply followed by OK. Now if you still experience problems, right click on the Start icon and then select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Now locate your microphone on this list. Simply right click on it and then select Uninstall Device. Now click on Uninstall again to confirm. After that, simply go ahead and restart your ASUS laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.